We are here at Old Town by the beach and by the historic buildings. It's threatening to rain, as you can see by the clouds behind me. It's not raining yet. Should we gamble and stay here and risk getting wet, or should we walk the 5 blocks it takes to get to our hotel right now and stay dry? I say let's gamble. Well, it's raining. I gambled and lost, I guess. I'm not wet though. Everyone, as you can see, is behind me under the covered area. I'm outside here in the rain. Feels good. It's windy. I should probably get out of here soon. It's getting wet. Everyone's rushing to the covered area. Go, go, go. I think I'm going to risk it and run in the rain to the hotel. And I'm here. Made it. Not completely soaked, but pretty close. That was kind of fun, actually.